thank you very much for clicking onto this video. So I have already opened this, and this came around about 2 days ago, I think it was. We get ours later because I live in the North of Ireland. It has to be shipped to the UK, and then I have to wait on it being custom cleared, and then again, and then coming over here. So it takes a wee while longer. So I have just opened it. This is from the third round of the edit sale. And honestly, I wasn't going to order anything, but there were two things that I really wanted. And I thought, because it was only $5 extra to ship, I thought I would just go ahead. And I did order another mystery bundle. Yes, I know. But I have learned my lesson, because that's one of the reasons I've already opened the box, was because I had a sneaky suspicion that it was going to be a duplicate mystery bundle. I ordered one in round 2, which was the code mystery bundle 11. And I find out by, if you look at your shipping email, it'll tell you everything that's being shipped out in that delivery, and including the mystery bundle, because all the mystery bundles have a code, and the code for this one was the same. It was mystery bundle 11. And if you go on to, that's one way to find out your mystery bundle. If you go on to the Fabfitfun community forum, everybody uploads pictures of their bundles and their codes, so you're pretty much guaranteed to find out what's in your mystery bundle, unless it's mystery bundle number 1. That for some reason has always been a different sort of variation of bundles and products in that one. So yeah, so we'll start off with the mystery bundle. As I said, it was the same one in my last video. It was number 11. So where is it? I'll sit there. I'll just open it quickly just in case you didn't see that last video. So the first product is Laura Geller. She is renowned for her baked products, but this is a liquid highlighter. And I took it out of the box and I swatched it in that last video. I'm not going to do it again with this one. This one is going in a giveaway because I've already got one, and I've already got a lot of highlighters. Yeah, so that is in the shade Diamond Dust. And I think they're really expensive too. It's around about 16 or 17 pounds. So that is definitely getting a giveaway. The next thing is from Dr. Brandt. That's it there. And it's their creamy yogurt pH cleanser. I am going down the route of a more cruelty free, but I love creamy cleansers, and because it's just in the bundle, I'm just going to use it. I heard great things about Dr. Brandt, so yeah, so that means I have 2 now, so I can use that. And I think their Dr. Brandt's pretty expensive as well. Next up is some nail polish remover pads, and that's from a brand called Lauren B. And I think I said in the last video, I'm actually surprised we got these, because things like nail polish aren't allowed to be sent international because of the ingredients, the flammable ingredients. So I assume nail polish remover would be the same sort of thing. But maybe there's sort of more gentler ingredients in this one. So there's 30 pads in it, and I'll definitely be using those. These are really handy for traveling. So yeah, that's that. Next up is the tar. Now I'm not going to open this one because I opened the last one. And these is from Summer and Rose, which is the in-house brand for Fabfitfun, and it's sunshine all around. So it's one of those big round towels, and it has a fringe. I don't know if you can see there. Okay. There's the fringe at the side, so there's fringe all around. It's sort of targeted as a beach towel, but it is quite thin. But you can use it for anything. I think the last one I actually give away. This one I think I might keep it for my car, because I have grandkids and my grandkids are messy pups. So are my adult children. My adult children leave all their rubbish in the car. Oh. Right, so this is really what's left in the box is really what I wanted from the sale. So the first product is from Co, and it's an acid, it's basically a scalp treatment. So it's an acid wash. I'm not sure about the ingredients. I was reading that a lot of these acid washes contain apple cider vinegar, but I can't see that on the list of ingredients, so I'm not sure what they use. But it's supposed to treat the scalp by not stripping it out, by doing something to restore the pH balance of the scalp. I actually bought this for my daughter who has a really sensitive scalp. It's really very sensitive, and I thought maybe this might help sort of even and balance things out. I can't wait to have a little sniff. It does actually smell like there's like some sort of vinegar in it, but I'm not sure with the ingredients. I'm just hoping, she is also very sensitive to smell, so I'm hoping she'll tolerate the vinegary smell, but it doesn't seem overpowering. And Co is an expensive brand. I think this was around about $11. They never put the prices on the invoice, but I remember this being $11, and I'm sure the retail price is a lot. I think it's around about 20, maybe more. So yeah, definitely glad I have that. Right, the last product is actually another bundle. Right, although it wasn't, everything was listed individually on the invoice, it was a deal. And they weren't in a bag. I think two of the items were in a bag together on their own, but there are 4 items altogether. I think the bundle was called Island Breeze or something like that, and it was $24, I think, don't quote me, but I can't be far wrong, but it was a really good deal. So that's it there, and I'll show you what it is. Right, this really intrigued me. These are two, they're in a little bag on their own there, and they are a Hermist. There's 59 mils in each, and they are both the same. They're both the same scent. So going on the island theme, they are a coconut milk Hermist with vitamin A, and it's supposed to hydrate and make the hair nice and shiny. Now I already had a little spritz before I did the video, and oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. It definitely smells of coconut. It says it leaves your hair really shiny and hydrated with a subtle coconut scent, but it definitely smells like full on coconut, but it's not totally overpowering. But then again, I love coconut, so maybe I don't think it's overpowering. It says soap equals hope. I don't know if that's their slogan. But there's only 59 mils each, but it's a good thing to try out. And the reason I'm excited about it is because I'm thinking this might be better than dry shampoo, because dry shampoo really, my hair is really dry, and I think dry shampoo dries out my hair even more, and also sort of makes your scalp flaky if you spray it too close to your scalp. But I actually might prefer this, and I think this would be brilliant for travelling too. You know why sometimes you're not allowed to take, well, sometimes you're not allowed to take aerosols on a plane. This might be good. Yeah, so I don't know. I cannot wait to try that out. I think that might be good. Next up, and really the star of the show on this little bundle, is the Kapari. I got really excited because I wanted to try Kapari, and so far in the edit sales and adult sales, none of the Kapari products we were allowed to pick, they didn't show up. So I was really glad that it was in this bundle that was, for some reason or other, we were able to get sent here to the UK. So the Kabari, it's a natural deodorant, this, and I have been using natural deodorants, and there's not really any one that has wowed me other than the La Vanilla one. It's absolutely gorgeous, the coconut and vanilla. Um, but it's expensive too, and I know this is expensive. I think to buy this in the UK is around about £16 upwards. I think 16 is the cheapest I've seen it, and I think maybe even that is for the travel size. I'll have to check that out. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. So it comes in a stick form. It's definitely aluminum. We say aluminium here. Aluminum free. It's vegan friendly. It's mineral oil free. Yeah. And I actually had a little sniff of it earlier on. It's strange though. I don't know whether it's me and my sense of smell at the minute. But it smells different in the stick than it does on the skin. In the stick, the only way I can describe it is that it smells like a very old-fashioned soap. It smells soapy with a hint of coconut, where on the skin it smells like full-on coconut. Um, yeah, I think there's definitely a difference between the stick and when it's on the skin. It glides on the skin. It's absolutely amazing. And it feels cooling as well, and I'm wondering if there is a cooling ingredient in the formula, but it feels absolutely gorgeous on the skin. I just can't wait to use that. That is amazing. The last product in this little bundle is from Kors, and it's their body butter in guava. I've tried their products before, they're absolutely amazing. It's only 125ml, but for the price of the bundle, it's really, really good because their products are super expensive too. I like the fact that most of the ingredients on here are natural ingredients. Um, I'm just gonna show you on the back of my hands. So that's it there. I wouldn't call it a body butter. That's that Alexa gone off again. I swear she is listening to me. I'm gonna have to check my settings on it. But I wouldn't call that a body butter. It's not thick enough for a butter. It's more like a cream. It smells amazing, and their stuff always sinks into the skin really, really lovely. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that. Just leaves the skin feeling super smooth and supple. Supple is a good word. It just leaves the skin feeling very plump and supple. So I really love that. That bundle is actually amazing. I am sorry that I never ordered another one, but in hindsight, yeah. So that is everything that I ordered in round 3. And it looks like they're changing things up again for the add-ons. I noticed that they're going to have actual sales on the add-ons. So I'm really going to have to watch my money, because they said there was one called the Kate Somerville and Kate Spades sale. And that seems quite intriguing. So yeah. Oh. Right, that is it. If you've any questions, please feel free to hit me in the comments below. Definitely, and especially if you're new to Fabfitfun, don't be afraid to ask any questions, because even if I don't answer it, somebody that's reading this video probably knows the answer too. And also, if you haven't signed up yet and need a code, I have a code for $10 off your first box. It gets me $15 credit as well, but don't feel obliged to use that. Actually, I would suggest going and googling Fabfitfun codes, just in case there is some deal out at the minute, because sometimes they do a deal where you get extra products when you sign up, or extra boxes and things, so it's always worthwhile doing that. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day or a lovely evening wherever you are. Yeah, bye bye.